You've been hit by, you've been hit by a smooth. Dude, for real? Let go. Ah, thanks. Stay there, please. Oh shit. I can't stop.
Dude, seriously, I'm trying to sleep. Dude! Fucking asshole!
I really don't want to go to Mississippi. Florida's my home.
You can move. Your piggies are free. You can still walk.
Tiger Belly, it's time to get out. He does this every time. Won't come out, and I can't get him out. I have to get a treat.
But you're too fast.
Tug of war time! Never let me win!
Lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor.
This is Gabby's protector, Yao the gecko.
No fingers.
I will protect Gabby. This is my hill.
Should we go in?
Hey yo, better not step to me. If you wanna live, I'll peck you with my beak in your neck and head.
I guess this is it. I mean, why are you looking at me like that? This is gonna hurt me worse than it will hurt you. Think happy thoughts.
Okay, so when there's food in your cage, all you do is sit on your perch, but give you food on a chair, and you devour it.
You can fit under the bed? You can fit under the bed? Not you, fatty! You can't fit!
Wake up! Sorry.
Oh dear. Oh my gosh, Jason, you look so different.
Grandma, over here.
Whoa! Dude!
Hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You frying? You talking you out? So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do? What you gonna...
Are you drunk again?
Hello, I'm Senor Den, the Animal Whisperer. What is your name?
Barrow!
My God!
People always think I'm taller for some reason.
I thought you were taller.
And maybe because of my stiff legs. I don't know. Like, when you see me in photos.
Please take 1 second to support me by share and like to keep sharing. I will appreciate this. Thank you.
Well, you just swim a lap around the pool. Who wants to go first?
Beth, look.
Beth.
Beth.
Yep.